guys, welcome to my channel, Nanny Quiz. Today, we are playing your favorite game, Choose Your Gift Box. Are you excited? Well, you should be because it's gonna be fun. But hey, quick shout out, comment superstar alert. We are pinning the best comment of the day. So keep those comments coming and you might be in the spotlight next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun, more quizzes and even more challenges you love. Alright, let the fun begin. Fluffy friend alert! Choose your dog, playful or sleepy. Yummy, yummy. Choose your milkshake, chocolate or strawberry. Cozy vibes. Choose your socks, fuzzy or fun print. Mystery time! Choose your surprise gift. What's inside? Tech Zone. Choose your laptop. Sleek or powerful? Let's roll. Choose your roller skates. Classic or neon? Style check. Choose your wardrobe. Bold or simple? School mode. Choose your school bag. Cute or cool? Rock on. Choose your guitar. Acoustic or electric? Let's dive in. Choose your swimming pool. Fancy or fun? Where we going? Choose your location. Beach or city? Sip it up. Choose your drink. Fizzy or fruity? Cuddle alert. Choose your teddy bears. Tiny or giant? Home goals. Choose your living room. Cozy or modern? Boss mode. Choose your office. Minimal or creative? Step out. Choose your shoes. Trendy or comfy? Vibe check. Choose your earbuds. Wired or wireless? Nerdy pick. Choose your calculator. Scientific or cute? Perfect pal. Choose your cat. Fluffy or sleek? Zoom zoom. Choose your car. Sporty or luxury? Gamer zone. Choose your gaming room. RGB or chill? Controller time. Choose your gaming controller. Retro or pro? Style it. Choose your dresser. Chic or rustic? Shine on. Choose your bracelet. Charm or gold? Pucker up. Choose your lips. Bold or soft? Pedal time. Choose your bicycle. Mountain or cruiser? Jot it down. Choose your notebook. Cute or classic? Glow up. Choose your makeup brush. Blush or contour? Luxury vibes. Choose your yacht. Sleek or massive?
You like it? Smash that like. Drop a comment below. Share it with your bestie and don't forget to subscribe.